Yeah, good morning all. I know in the last class I showed you how to copy and paste on EViews. So now we are still going to copy and export to EViews and then do the pooled OLS as a kind of the panel, form of panel. So what we have to do is that we open EViews with just the same pattern I taught you before. Create a new work file, and we've already agreed that it's a balance panel, and also it is monthly. We are starting from 2010 January, and we are ending when we are ending 2026 June. So number of selection, we have two. So what are we going to call it? Let's call it United Kingdom, United Kingdom, and United. Okay, let's use underscore so that it will be United States. United States. So this is it. So I've taught you how to go about it. What we just have to do is that we'll go to quick empty group edit series. Just follow this pattern and I think it's easier. Then you go to the where you have the data sets. Just copy everything because it has already been arranged for you. Please, if you don't understand, please go to where I taught how to paste data from Excel sheets down to your EViews. Then you paste special. I think that's all. I think everything is here. So that's it. So let's see how to run the pooled OLS. What you have to do, you click on inflation, you hold your control key, click on inflation, you click on MPR, which is monetary policy rate, and you click on loan to deposit ratio. In the last class, I explained to you that it's going to pull all the variables together. So you go to as equation. When you go to as equation, you might want to change the C to here. You see, you might want to change the C to here, let it look like more like an econometrics. So this is where you change if you want fixed effects or you want random effects, but you don't have to do that. You don't have to do that since you're running a pooled OLS, and I think that is one of the important things there. So you go back to your specification, you leave it at least squares, so because it's pooled, and you just click OK, so you can see your results. You can see your results. You can see that you have a monetary policy rate is 0.47, which means a change in monetary policy rate brings about a 0.4 percentage change in in uh, in inflation. That's when you bring UK and US together. And then loan to deposit ratio, the amount of loans to deposit ratio which commercial banks lend to the public, the amount of their loan to deposit which they lend to the public. You can see it even reduces it's a change in loan to deposit brings about a reduction a reduction in a reduction of about 0.0. It's actually really minimal in inflation. So the amount of loan the commercial banks give in respect to their ratios, their deposit ratios in both US and UK, it's actually little. So it reduces inflation by 0.00%, and they are all significant. So basically, that's just the major thing we have to see when it comes to pooled OLS. So in the next video, I will explain further and I will take you to the post estimation tests. Thank you.